Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Barmel Lyons.
And I'm Jen Herrera.
And you are watching Intown Collective, the vlog. We are taking you guys behind the scenes, and guess what? We're back. Woo. We are here at the beautiful Stokesman property here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm so excited to be back. How do you feel?
I love this house. Like, if I could live here, I would live here.
It's gorgeous. The attention to detail, the beautiful just fixtures.
The lighting.
Come on. The lighting is A1. And I'm so excited to be here because we have a special guest today. Do you know who it is? Can you tell us in the comments? Can you guess? Like, pause the video. Don't go away though. But pause the video and let us know in the comments.
Let's see who can do it.
Answers? Okay, great. We're gonna continue. So, yeah, she's gonna be pulling up. We're not gonna tell you yet. We're gonna surprise you, give you very much surprise. It's gonna be a good time. And obviously, you can see my Elevate Brand Academy shirt. Ow, 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 ow. If you're an agent, want some assistance with your content, I got you. Reach out to @BarmelLyons or @Elevate Brand Academy on Instagram. Right here. But yes, so stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. Are you excited, Jen?
I'm so pumped.
Let's do it. It's a certified stager. So you guys, clearly, what does that mean? That means come to Intown Collective.
And let me stage your beautiful home.
We are working hard and not hardly working. So what did we just get wrapped? We just got wrapped with 2 vlogs. Oh,
that's crazy for one content day.
Yes, so we were making sure we got that done, and right now we are just re-prepping and resetting the room to accomplish some reels. So we plan on doing some fun, quick grabs. That's what I would always advocate for if you're on a time crunch, making sure you get some quick grab reels that it's just easy. Use the templates on Instagram. That's what they're there for. Take advantage of the platform.
Easy content. Easy content.
Easy content. So right now, Lauren just got you. Oh, girl, you look cute. I
got a new stylist for Music Viva.
Oh.
She brought me 4 outfits because I didn't bring any.
Where's Viva at?
She does everything. She's the stylist. She's the operator. She does everything. She's getting her license.
She already got it.
We're doing all.
She got certified.
She got certification.
Yes. Honestly, if you're not working with Intown Collective, this is your opportunity now because, baby, what are you doing?
Yeah. What are you doing with your life?
All right, let's get these reels done. Oh. You guys, we are literally on the ground right now because it's so hot. So we were trying to get shade, mostly Jen. Clearly, I'm still sun-kissed right now, sunified. But ultimately, it was a great content day.
Yeah, we had fun.
We had so much fun.
Got a lot done.
So much done. I love when we really get to capitalize on our days and get as much as we can. Maya was such a sweetheart.
She's adorable.
So nice, so
down
kind.
to earth too.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Loved
great.
her. So yeah, we're gonna stop sweating and we're gonna say bye to you guys. I hope you enjoyed our vlog and make sure you follow Intown Collective on social media, all platforms, whether that's Instagram,
Right here,
TikTok, YouTube. We got you. If you want to see anything in particular on the Intown Collective page, let us know in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you have a house that you want us to show, let us know. We would love a good
that
tour.
would be fun.
You know,
let's do it.
If any real estate agents have any homes they want to showcase and would love for it to be featured on our page, let us know. Yeah.
Do a collab.
A collab.
Yes.
That's what it's all about. That's what this vlog was about. That's what this behind the scenes was about. We're better together than apart. So have a wonderful, wonderful hot day. Bye.